On your right again, check again, and then turn. Good. So we break our lesson in 3 sections. First session we teach you, second we guide you, prompt you, and third section you're gonna do everything independently, okay?
Yeah.
So at the crossroad, left please. Remember to slow down, nice and slow. Ignore him and just do your own thing, okay? That's fine. Good, well done.
I'm going left here again.
No, second left, not this one, okay?
Okay.
And the second junction is completely different.
Right.
So you have to slow down, look at the layout, and then we're gonna go in. Little bit to the right, away from the curb. Did you check your mirror?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. Because this road is completely different.
Yeah.
Every junction is different. End of the road, we are turning left. You didn't check the center mirror, Nicole.
I did just then.
No. I'm
I
looking.
just looked.
So you look now. You signaled and then you looked.
I looked and then I signalled. I definitely looked then.
I'm gonna keep eye on you, okay? So keep going ahead. End of the road, you are turning. So always center mirror first, then signal. End of the road, we are turning left, please. Good. Approach is fine. Now observation. So good observation. Just creep forward so you can look and then stop. Look again, then turn. Now we are lucky when we come here the light goes green.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, keep going ahead. So at the crossroad, turn left, please. Yeah, keep it in middle, that's good. Because our teaching section is finished, this is the guided section now. If you need help, I'm gonna guide you, otherwise just keep going. This is first, second and third. Keep going ahead. End of the road, we are turning left. Just road bend to the left. What's your speed?
17.
What's the speed of the road?
20.
And which speed is correct, like on 20 road?
You can go up to 20, can't you?
Below 20.
Yeah.
Always below 20. If the speed is 20, the safe speed is 16, 17, 18. Okay? So keep going and we're gonna turn left on first road.
Okay.
Now your position is fine and look at the speed. Speed is okay. Next left, please. Can you see the junction?
Yeah.
So we slow down a bit, move more to this side. That's fine. This is a really hard junction, so we slow down, really slow down. Few miles, that's good. This is fine. Good. Look in the road and then go. When your car is straight, then give gas. And then take second road on your left, not this second one. Second here. Yeah, good, well done. Good observation. Now you're looking. With every left turn, you have to look, okay? You must look. Keep going ahead. And end of this road, turn left. Which type of junction is this, Nicole? No one's here, so I'm just asking this question. Which type of junction is this? Look at the shape.
Is it called something like a T?
Yeah, it's T junction and it's closed.
Yeah.
So on T junction closed, we approach here. So we just come here, slow down, creep forward, keep looking on both sides because it's a closed junction. So we always stop. And we got the giveaway line here.
Yeah.
That means we need to stop, assess, then we decide and act, okay?
Yeah.
Let's creep forward so you can look at the lady. Yeah, good, well done. And then turn slowly, we don't want to hit the curb. You don't want to hit the curb because you little bit you went on the curb, okay? Keep going ahead. It's fine. End of the road, we're gonna follow the double yellow line to the left, okay? We just... Okay, here. Don't need signal, that's fine. And we're gonna pull up to the left where this wooden post is. Little bit to the right and keep it straight, that's fine. And park the car and back up and just relax for a few seconds. So when we went around for this circle, this next left turn, you did it perfectly fine. This is a really hard junction, this one.
Yeah.
Where you looked, you assessed, you slowed down, you went properly. Then next left, when we went inside the unmarked junction, that was okay.
Yeah.
End of the road, what happened?
That one where I just
Yes,
accidentally
the
went
T
over
junction
curb.
closed.
Where I
Yeah.
went over
What
curb.
happened there? Explain to
think I
reflect
pulled.
on your driving.
It felt like I didn't pull properly.
You didn't pull
didn't-
properly.
Yeah.
So how we gonna fix this?
Did I not steer that way for long enough?
You didn't steer to the left.
Right.
Yeah. So next time when we go again on that junction, how you gonna fix it? You tell
Make
me.
sure I'm steering
Steering more to
wide
the.
enough.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go out and fix this mistake.
Okay.
Okay. Remember to blind spot check. Okay. Then you move off. Good. I need all these observation. Okay. Good. Well done. Good. Perfect. Okay. Move more to the side. Good. And then take next road on your left. Little bit to this side as well. Your approach speed should be reduced. Remember, ease off. Good. That's fine. And then take second road on your left. This is first, second. So we go around and fix that mistake again, okay? Good. Okay, well done. Good turn. End of the road, turn left, and it's the same road where we need to fix that mistake. We don't want to go on the curb. And you said you're gonna fix this way, so remember your mistake last time.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So, did you fix this fault?
I think so.
But you went really wide.
So I went too wide that
Yeah,
time.
you went really wide. So we're gonna go ahead.
Do it again.
Yes. One more time. So follow the road to the left, and then we're gonna pull up to the left for a few seconds, discuss this, and then we'll go back again. nice and slow, remember. This is a right turn again. Okay, so move forward and then we park up on the left here somewhere. Yeah. Okay. Park the car, handbrake up, relax for a few seconds, okay? So first left turn, okay, perfectly fine. Second, when you went on the second road on the left, that was okay. End of the road, you were fixing your fault, but you made another mistake this time. You went really wide.
Too wide.
And why did you went really wide?
Honestly, I don't know.
Signal off. So because when you're turning left on new road, you steer slowly and keep steering on the left. Don't go on the curb, away from the curb. When this mirror align with the corner of the curb, then steer to the left.
Yeah.
That's the reference, okay?
Okay.
Always left mirror align with the corner of the curb when you're turning, then steer slowly more to the left. Avoid hitting the curb, but avoid going to the right more. And then come to your own side to the left. We come here, end of this road, same mistake again. So what happened here on this road?
I just went too wide, didn't I?
And how and why?
I don't know how. I don't understand how it goes wide, but I just know that it
So
did.
it's the same. It's the same reference.
Right.
So with every curb, align the side mirror, steer more to the left. This is how we're gonna fix it, okay? So we use references always. If we go really wide, we use reference. We always use this mirror.
Yeah.
Align with your curb, steer more to the left, slowly steer, keep steering, come to the left, and then when your car is straight, give gas and go.
Okay.
So we're gonna go again. We're gonna do this circle again, and you need to fix this fault for me, okay?
Okay.
Let's get ready and we move off. Okay. Good. Yeah, good observation. Keep going. Keep it to this side and then take next road on your left, please. This side, okay? And never, like when you see parked cars, a door width away from the parked car. Always, when you see parked cars, away from them. And move early to avoid any dangers. So move early, okay? And then take second road on your left. Speed, remember your speed is 20. So slow down and we're gonna turn left in here. So just stop here, just slowly stop here. I'm gonna show you this. So when you align this mirror with the curb, then turn, okay? With the corner, with the corner of the curb, very slowly, and then steer to the left. But we don't wanna hit the curb, and we come to the left like this.
Yeah.
This is the reference, okay?
Yeah.
So keep going ahead, and then when you see a obstruction from here, make a plan, move to the right, and slow down a bit because there's one more car. No, keep here. No, after the last car, we come to the left very slowly. Remember your reference.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this, and then turn. Come more to the left, steer more to the left, more. Good. Now move forward, and then end of the road, we're gonna follow the road to the left. And remember the mistake, we're gonna fix this as well, okay? This mistake.
Yeah.
So now you approach, slow down. Remember, nice and slow, and reference. Align this mirror with the corner and then turn and track the double yellow line to the left. To the left. More. In our own lane. Sometimes cars come from the other side really fast. So we need to remain on the left.
pulling over and we're keeping going.
Now we're gonna go this time. So we fix all these mistakes, we're gonna go ahead. Keep it to the right. Now we're gonna go ahead this time. Keep
Okay,
going
go
ahead, yes. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Yeah, that's fine. Slow, just ease off when you see cars like this, dangers on the road, and they are in middle. Just ease off.
Yeah.
We follow the road to the left.